Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add browser icon on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If you are new here on Squarespace, you might want to click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, creating your first account is a breeze because all you're gonna do is simply you can continue with a Google account, your email, it could be business or work, or you have more options here. You can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and once you've done that, you are all set. Now, once you are here, to add a browser icon, or also known as favicon, to your Squarespace website, you can follow these easy steps, all right? Now, the first thing is you need to click on the edit option. Right, and so from here, click on the edit site header. Now, when you click on it, you can edit the design. Once you click on the editing site header, right, click on the edit design. As you can see, that's going to be the logo. That's where we're going to add a browser icon or favicon on here, and all I'm going to do is click on the logo. Now, when you hover down to the left side panel, that's going to be the site title and logo. And as you can see, there's a pencil icon. When you click on it, that means you can edit this one. And from here, you can choose the logo image. Click on it. Now, when you do that, all you're going to do is upload file or select from library. When you do it, click on this one or this one and add that to your Squarespace website. You also have the option to tweak the settings for the logo height right here. It could be from this one, or it could be you can max it out, or you can slim it depending on your preference. You can simply replace the image if you're not satisfied. From here, you can choose a lot of information, such as click on this one. There's a lot that you can do. Just wait for it. And once you're satisfied with the browser icon and the logo, all you're going to do is click on the save button here. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.